This is Dudios Zeus Ace True Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds. I have reviewed the Dudios Zeus in the past and it sounds just as good as the Soundpeats Q30. And today let's see how the Zeus Ace performs. In front of the box you can see the picture of the actual unit. It has a true wireless design with no wires in between. They're supposed to fit comfortably in your ears. Auto pairing is also supported, and the charging case has an 800 mAh battery. This gold color accent is also pretty cool on the box. On the back there's some few more features, and let's just open the box. Right inside the box we can see the charging case in the center. As we pull the cutout out, we have a micro USB charging cable, 3 more pairs of ear tips in different sizes, a quick start guide, the thank you card from Soundpeats, and the user's manual printed in English and Japanese. The charging case has no buttons on it. We have 2 charging status LED indicator in the front, and a micro USB charging port on the back. As we open the lid, we can see the 2 earbuds sitting inside. There are magnets inside the case, you cannot actually drop them unless you pull them out of the case. As we take a look at these earbuds, we can see a multifunction button right here, 1 LED indicator on the upper side of the button, and also a microphone hole on the top. On the back of the earbuds, we can see 2 charging contact points. And that's about it. And the other earbud is identical to the one I just showed you. Now let's get right into the in-depth review of the Dudios Zeus Ace, where I give my pros and cons. Now let's start with pros. These true wireless earbuds are really easy and comfortable to wear. I had troubles in the past with many earlier generation TWS earbuds. They were hard to create a seal in my ear canals. The Dudios Zeus Ace on the other hand sits perfectly in my ears. They also feel very secure and snug, hard to shake them off even during workouts. The charging case lid seems in black just like the color of the casing. It is actually also semi-transparent. When the earbuds are sitting inside of the case, you can see through the lid and see those LED indicators on the earbuds, which gave you the charging status of the earbuds. Definitely great attention to details. The build quality of these earbuds are really nice for under $30. The charging case has no plastic squeaky noise when you put pressure on it. The lid has a very nice hinge that snaps shut when you close it. Multifunction buttons on both earbuds are very easy to press, especially when you're wearing them. You do not have to press them very hard to play, pause, or skip songs. Again, many high-quality designs from the Ace. I can only mention a few here, but there are more as you start using them. I must say the sound quality is truly amazing for the price. Bass response is very present, voice is clear, and treble is not harsh. I'm pretty impressed by how good these true wireless earbuds sound. They can also get really loud if you want to push them. Again, something earlier generation TWS earbuds couldn't even dream of. Thanks to Bluetooth 5.0, the Ace has very low latency for audio and video. While using these earbuds for music listening, YouTube, or movie, you won't notice any synchronized issue at all. Phone calls are also stereo now, unless you choose to use one earbud at a time. Pairing procedure is also idiot-proof. Simply take them out of the case and they will automatically enter pairing mode. The multifunction button controls nearly everything. Sure, you only see one button on the earbud, but with different combination you can play, pause, forward, backwards, process calls, activate voice assistant, and more. The list for pros can just keep going on, and I really don't have any major cons to say about these earbuds. These Bluetooth earbuds manufacturers keep polish them every year, and they are just nearly perfect at this point. At the same time, the cost of these still stay pretty low. I would definitely say a Dudios Zeus Ace is a good purchase. If you want more information of these earbuds, click the link in the description below. Consider like and subscribe to the channel, and as always, I will see you next time.